Okay, so we have this next question right here. It says the standard quark lepton model includes particles called mesons. Which of the following is a meson? So before we look at the options, right, let's discuss what's a meson. A meson is actually made up of one quark and one antiquark, okay? One quark and one antiquark, okay? These two conditions must be fulfilled in order to be called a meson, okay? So let's check our options. Our option number A says photon. Now, photon, is not a correct answer because it's a fundamental particle. It's not made up of quarks. It's actually a single particle, okay? So for number A, photon is actually incorrect. Now, our option number B says pion. Now, pion is actually made up of one quark and one antiquark, right? So it's a correct option, right? And fun fact, meson is the short or the full form of meson is actually pi meson. Okay, sorry. This is the short form for pion. So our option number B is correct. Let's check other options as well just to be safe. Option number C says positron. Now, positron is not made up of quarks at all. Fun fact, it's actually an antimatter version of an electron. And electron is also it's not made up of quarks. It's a fundamental particle. It's a single particle, okay? So option number C is also incorrect. Now, option number D, it says proton. Now, proton is actually made up of quarks, but it's made up of three quarks. And which are those? Those are two up quarks and one down quark. Okay, this makes a baryon. Okay, not a meson. A baryon requires exactly three quarks. Okay, three quarks. So it fulfills the baryon conditions, but it does not fulfill the meson's condition, which requires one quark and one antiquark. So proton is our incorrect option, okay? So our final answer is B.
Follow for more.